All right, let's go ahead and solve some equations using the distributive property. And then we're going to dive into Desmos and we're going to throw this in there. We're going to see if we can find the solution graphically as well. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at this equation 5 negative 2x plus 2 equals to 70. And what we're going to do is we're going to take that 5 and we are going to distribute it. And what that just simply means is that 5, because it is attached by multiplication, is going to get distributed or delivered to both of these. So what we're going to write here is we're going to say 5 times negative 2x, and then 5 times positive 2. So plus 5 times positive 2, and that is going to be equal to 70. Now, we are going to go ahead and simplify all these little pieces. So I'm going to take 5 times negative 2. We're going to multiply those two values. And that's going to give us negative 10x plus, and then we're going to do 5 times 2 again, which is 10, equals to 70. And from here, we're just going to go ahead and begin solving. So I'm going to get rid of that positive 10 with a negative 10. I'm getting rid of the addition and the subtraction. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that negative 10. That is going to bring us down to negative 10x. 10 minus 10 is 0, so it cancels out. Bring down the equal sign. And we have 70 minus 10, which is 60. Once we've got that, I'm going to go ahead and divide by that negative 10. I'm going to get rid of that coefficient. So negative 10 will divide. That'll be our next step. Okay. When we have that, I'm going to negative 10 divided by negative 10 is 1. We get an x. And 60 divided by negative 10 is going to be negative 6. So this is the value that we are looking for. So let's go to Desmos. We're going to plug that in and see how we do and see if we can get that solution as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take one side of this equation and I'm going to plug it in. So I'm going to take this piece right here, bring it over to cell number 1. I'm going to write y equals to 5 parentheses negative 2x plus 2. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the second equation in there, which is going to be the second part, this 70 right here. And I'm going to write y equals to 70. So I'm going to just have two parts in there, the left side and the right side. Now, once I've got that in there, I'm going to go ahead and I am just simply going to go up the y-axis until I find 70. And as you see it, you'll see that there is a spot where it is 70 and the red line and the blue line intersect. You can see it right here. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm just simply going to click on that intersection point. Okay, and essentially that says negative 670. So that means x is negative 6. So x equals negative 6, just based off of that intersection. Now for this assignment and other assignments, I'm going to have you do a quick screenshot. So I'm going to come down here to the bottom, do a screen snip. Once I've got that screen snip opportunity, I'm going to go ahead and just square that out, bring that back to our class kick. And for that assignment, you've shown me algebraically the work, and then you are going to show me graphically. All right, I hope that helps show you how to solve with the distributive property, as well as how do you solve this with Desmos. All right, y'all have a great day, and I hope this helped.